മൗലികാവകാശങ്ങളെയും ചുമതലകളെയും പറ്റി സമൂഹത്തിൽ അവബോധമുണ്ടാകണമെന്ന് ഹൈക്കോടതി ജഡ്ജി ആർ ബസന്ത് അഭിപ്രായപ്പെട്ടു. ഓയിസ്ക രജത ജൂബിലി ആഘോഷം ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്ത് സംസാരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു അദ്ദേഹം.
ഓയിസ്ക ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ സൗത്ത് ഇന്ത്യൻ ചാപ്റ്റർ രജത ജൂബിലി ആഘോഷം ടാഗോർ ഹാളിൽ നടന്നു. ഹൈക്കോടതി ജഡ്ജി ആർ ബസന്ത് ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്തു.
I ask myself, what can be identified as the noble ideal, the most important ideal? Which is that ideal which was perceived very early and which is very relevant in our context today? I believe it has been exemplified by the Prakriti Vandanam, the welcome song which the children recited here. Love nature is the mantra which the Oiskans pursue. Environmentally, ecologically sustainable development is the motto which the Oiskans, on behalf of the elite world, is presenting to the world.
ഓയിസ്കയുടെ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾ മാതൃകാപരമാണെന്ന് ഉദ്ഘാടന പ്രസംഗത്തിൽ ആർ ബസന്ത് പറഞ്ഞു. ആശയങ്ങൾ പ്രായോഗിക തലത്തിൽ കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നതിൽ സംഘടന ഏറെ മുൻപന്തിയിലാണ്. സാധാരണക്കാരന്റെ വിശ്വാസ്യത പിടിച്ചുപറ്റാൻ ജുഡീഷ്യറിക്ക് സാധിക്കണം. പൗരാവകാശങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ചും ചുമതലകളെക്കുറിച്ചും സമൂഹത്തിന് അറിവുണ്ടായിരിക്കണമെന്നും ആർ ബസന്ത് പറഞ്ഞു. ഓയിസ്ക ഗ്ലോബൽ കോർപ്പറേഷൻ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ കസുവോമി ടൊമോഡ, ജപ്പാനിലെ ഓയിസ്ക കോളേജ് ജനറൽ മാനേജർ അഡ്സുവോ സുഗഹാര തുടങ്ങിയവർ മുഖ്യാതിഥികളായിരുന്നു. എൽ രാധാകൃഷ്ണൻ അധ്യക്ഷത വഹിച്ചു. പി കെ നളിനാക്ഷൻ, ടി ഒ രാമചന്ദ്രൻ, എം അരവിന്ദ് ബാബു, കെ സലിം, പി വി ഗംഗാധരൻ, കെ പി അബൂബക്കർ, ഫൗസിയ മുബഷീർ തുടങ്ങിയവർ സംസാരിച്ചു.
The Western Ghats, which are actually a hot droughts in this state, which is blessed with two big monsoons. From our air conditioners and fridges and so on, which has escaped into the atmosphere and caused the notice has been climate change. The emission of greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide of the ice caps in the polar regions, will really cause many. Post 2000, the loss is going to have impact in medical, agriculture, pollution abating, and all kinds of acts now, and to build awareness, change perception, and reinvest in a new way of life. Does increasing consumption really lead to a higher standard? Can be achieved, as has been demonstrated by Kerala, even with a very low. And children are the vehicles which are going to future leaders who are going to take leadership positions, as I said earlier, in various sectors. Use of traditional knowledge along with the technological values and leadership in members and families is a byproduct of this organization. We have to imbibe in our children that there is to a selfless approach towards society. Control now. We have to reduce our energy.
Congratulations to you once again for that noble venture. I ask myself, what can be identified as the noble ideal, the most important ideal? Which is that ideal which was perceived very early and which is very relevant in our context today? I believe it has been exemplified by the Prakriti Vandanam, the welcome song which the children recited here. Love nature is the mantra which the Oiskans pursue. Environmentally, ecologically sustainable development is the motto which the Oiskans, on behalf of the elite world is presenting to the world. Third, they said, my judge told me, judges are listeners. Have any one of you had the misfortune to come to our court? You will find judges sit and listen. They are not speakers, they are listeners. From 10:15 when I go into the court till 4:30 when I get out of the court, I keep listening. And so my judge said, people think judges will be sympathetic to the listeners and therefore they will be brief. That is one reason why judges get invitations. But he cautioned me, please do not accept invitations unless you are able to contribute to the thought process that goes on in meetings. Now, ask the youngest child in this audience, he will tell you that as an Indian citizen, I have fundamental rights. I think even to a first standard, if the mother starts beating the child, day is not far away when the child will tell the mother, no, I have the right not to be beaten. The day is not far off. We all are aware of our fundamental rights. How many of us are aware of our fundamental duties? Is anyone aware that under the Constitution, we have not only fundamental rights, but also fundamental duties? It's interesting. The Indian Constitution was accepted in 1950, and it walked into the Constitution at a time which is described as